Hi, my name is Andrei Pavlitchouk and I would like to talk to you about Microsoft certifications. Now, first of all, a little bit about me. I have gotten 6 Microsoft certifications, including 3 expert certifications. And I first started out my cloud journey, about 2 years ago. What I want to talk to you about is, I want to talk to you about the whole process for actually taking these exams and what kind of study techniques you should use and what kind of materials are out there and certain tricks and tips that I will share which I've learned from my journey, and then hopefully that will be useful to you. So first of all, I would like to start off with my journey, and then I'm gonna, after speaking to you about my journey, I'm gonna show you guys what my kind of future videos are going to be, and then expect a video every Monday for it. So first of all, let's talk about my journey. My journey started in July 2019 when I did the first Microsoft certification exam. I failed it, unfortunately, and then it took me 6 months to actually try for that AZ103 again. To say why, probably demotivation. It's like it was my first time taking an Azure exam, and that that demotivated me when I failed by a small margin, and that was because the keyboard didn't work properly in the center, but I'm past that. Anyway, so in December I took the exams online, and then I passed it, and I was like really chuffed with that. And then they carried on the AZ300, and I happily passed that one as well. Foolishly, I think I waited for the AZ304, but because of the whole pandemic and the exam that was supposed to be in April, to release in April 2020, got delayed up until July. And I didn't know that when you take a beta exam, it takes around 3 months for you to get your result back. So when I took the exam in July and then found out in October I failed, that was such a, but the difference was, at that time, it took me probably a month once I found out the result. That's a big difference to the 6 months that I had before. And then it went on from there. I took on a Z500 because, well, I saw it for a new company as well, and they wanted me to, which is a cloud company, by the way. So I did get my goal of working for a cloud company. But I did the AZ500 because that was required. Then I did AZ400 because we were doing a lot of work with like Terraform and DevOps, and so I needed to brush up my skills on that. So I decided, I'm going to go for the AZ400. I took it, failed it, but then after that I passed it a week later. Notice that week. So what went from 6 months to, 1 month to 1 week. That's a huge time difference, and I also felt I'd grown because I felt like I've learned from failure. And then I did other exams later on as well. I failed. I passed the MS500 next, then failed the MS100, passed MS100, failed MS101, passed MS101. As you can see, it's normal to fail. So this is one of the things that I want to shoot out to you guys, that it's okay. Don't worry about it. And now why I think Microsoft certifications are important, I'll cover that in the next video. But anyway, I just wanted to shoot out this video. Please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that's really important. Please comment and let me know if there's any thing that you want me to cover with these exams, because I'll be going through that lot. I'll be going through the vendors, the study methods I used, and yeah, pretty much quite a bit of my journey, and I'm hoping again it will be useful to you. So yeah, until next week, please take care.